Yes, creating a cooking show on YouTube is a very played out idea at this point, but it still can be done and you still can find success with it. Preparation, that's the most important thing. You want to get your studio kitchen set up beforehand. Being able to do creative overhead shots, having the food looking appetizing, being able to have good lighting, good audio. Maybe you need to have yourself mic'd. Another thing you're going to want to do is set up more than one camera. Setting up more than one camera, preferably on a tripod, allows you to do clever edits, showing how something looked from a different angle. You can even have guests on your show where the second camera goes on them and you can ask them a question. Heck, don't stop there. You can have them taste the food and film their reaction to it as well. The most important thing is being creative. What is going to be different about your show? Whether it's something different about how you show the cooking techniques, maybe even you're going to have a different gimmick, like you always do dancing or something while you're cooking or singing. Think about popular celebrity chefs in the past and how they have succeeded. Everyone from Emeril Lagasse saying "bam" to the Salt Bae guy that really does nothing more but look slick and put the salt on the food in a clever way. You need to think about how you can incept something like that that will make you stand out. If you don't think that you have a sparkling personality, you can always rest on your laurels and highlight your very good cooking. And I do hope that you have very good cooking because that is integral to starting a food show. Having guests on is an interesting way that you can break up the time of the show or even extend the time so that you can go over the 10-minute limit. As you likely know, YouTube videos that go over 10 minutes are more likely to have advertising on them and a better way to monetize the video. Different people are going to want different things in a YouTube cooking show. It's a little bit hard at first to figure that out as you're trying to settle and find your grounding. One thing that you'll want to do for help is to go look at other successful YouTube channels and see what it is that they have done. What has made them stand out? What gimmicks, what angles have they used? I don't just literally mean camera angles, of course, but I mean, what is their show about? Is it about maybe just Mexican cooking? Is it about cooking that highlights the cooking that their grandmother did? Maybe it's just about grilling. Trying to figure something like that out will help you with the future success of your channel and what you're known for. Because that's what you want to create, is something that you get known for as a personal brand. That's another thing, by the way. Don't just have the YouTube channel, but likely you're going to want to have accompanying social media networks. That might be TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and maybe some others. Take me, for example. I don't run a cooking channel per se, however, I have highlighted cooking stuff on this channel before. I have taken some of my cooking videos, shortened them down to 30 to 60 seconds, and then highlighted those on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, where it's likely to go viral more than a traditional YouTube video because all three of those networks with their short format vertical videos are in competition. TikTok is in competition with Instagram Reels, Instagram Reels is in competition with YouTube Shorts, and all of them going around back together again. This means that you can take a short clip and highlight it and drive traffic back to your main YouTube channel. So you can pick up YouTube subscribers from those three groups with the short form vertical videos of cooking. Here's a hint. Take your slickest edited stuff that looks the best, that you've put a lot of work in, for those formats. I hope this video has helped you out, and feel free to ask me any questions down in the comments. As always, please like and subscribe, and until next time, thank you.